Drone delivery is drawing enormous attention due to its cost effectiveness and convenience. The market is projected to grow to $29 billion by 2027. Delivery drones are expensive and may carry important packages. To prevent an attacker from capturing a drone, the drone should keep a distance from users until authentication is done. Many conventional authentication approaches, such as scanning fingerprints, do not work. In addition to avoiding human-drone physical contact, drone delivery systems should be resilient to relay attacks, such as radio relay attacks, where encrypted radio signals can be relayed, and vision relay attacks, where QR code can be relayed. We present G2Auth that meets all the challenges. A user who holds a smartphone waves her hand to conduct authentication, which is as simple as greetings. The evaluation shows that it is secure, accurate, usable, and robust. See the paper for more details.